Next in C, we are going to do nested structure. So when a structure is inside another structure, that is nested structure. So this is our header file. Here I am creating structure with struct keyword. Name of structure is student. And here I am taking integer id, char name of size 50. Now within this structure, that is student structure, I am creating one more structure. Struct is our keyword and name of structure is marks. And within that, here we are going to declare integer subject 1 marks and integer subject 2 marks. Now this is our structure mark. So here I am declaring variable for it. Outside this curly bracket, I am declaring m as variable of this mark structure, and here outside this curly bracket I am declaring variable for student structure, and I am here using array, that is I will be taking id, name and marks of subject S1 and S2 of 2 students. So first way of declaring nested structure is this. Another way is here I am declaring struct marks, and here I am giving integer S1 and one more S2. So this is a mark structure. Now here after this curly bracket we are creating one more structure, naming it as student, and within this structure I am giving integer id, char name of size 50, and here I am giving a variable of this structure, that is marks. So here we have to write struct, then name of structure, that is marks, then here we can write m, and here outside this we can create a variable of student structure. I'm giving 2 because I will be using it as an array of 2 students. So both ways we can create nested structure. Now here we know that here this is our mark structure with 2 subject marks, and here this is student structure with integer id, name, and here we have used this mark structure variable. So now here this is our main function, and within this main function first of all I am declaring one integer variable I. For as we are using array of structures, so we have to go for loop. For I equals to 0, I is less than 2, semicolon, I plus plus. Now I'll be asking user to enter ID, name and marks of subject S1 and S2. So printf within double quotes \n, enter ID of student percentage t, comma I. Then scanf percentage t, comma ampersand. Here we have to write st square bracket I dot id. Then next we have to take name as input. So before that we have to give f flush stdin to remove extra space. Now printf, enter the name of student percentage t, comma I. Get as, and here we have to write st I dot name. Next will be printf backslash n, enter the marks of S1 for student percentage t I. Then scanf within double quotes percentage t, comma. What we have to do here is first we have to give ampersand, then st I dot am dot s1. Because this is our nested structure. Here m represent this mark structure and s1 represent that subject S1, and ST represent this student structure, and here we are putting I because this is an array. Similarly, printf marks of subject 2 for student here it will be S2. So this way we can take input of ID, name and marks of subject 1 and subject 2 for 2 students. Here in the AND we'll be giving return 0. Save your program. Build it and then run it. So it is asking me to enter ID of student 0. I'm giving 1. Enter the name of student. I have given ASGFG. Enter the marks of subject 1. I'm giving 79. Enter the marks of subject 2. I have given 99. Now it will ask enter the marks ID of student 1. I have given 2. Name 89 marks and 78. So it has taken ID, name, marks of subject 1 and subject 2 of student. Now if we want to print it, so for that again we have to start loop. For I equals to 0, semicolon, I is less than 2, semicolon, I plus plus. So here we have printed ID, name, marks of subject 1 and subject 2 of both students. Save your program, build it and then run it. Now enter ID of student 1, I have given 1. Name is this. Subject 1 marks 79, 89, subject 2 marks. Now ID for second student is 2. Name is this. Marks of subject 1 I have given 78 and 89. So it is printed ID, name, marks of subject 1 and subject 2 of both students. So this was our nested structure. Nested structure is structure within a structure. We can even declare it one structure inside another structure this way, and we can declare them separately by, and we can put uh, other structure variable inside other structure to make nested structure.